Hello, I'm OtakuSolutions. Last time I gave you tips on how to best approach skinning. And this video explains the full skinning workflow for this character now that it's all been completed. The skinning is applied like this. Now let me explain each feature. This button selects all meshes currently in the scene. And if we've applied skinning, there will be a skin modifier on those meshes. So all skin selects only the meshes that actually have skinning, specifically those with a skin modifier. When you want to disable all skinning at once, clicking this button disables all skinning, as you can see. It's useful for checking whether the skinning data hasn't deviated from the default pose. Enable toggles it on and off, so this is the function for re-enabling it. For example, there can be cases where a joint's position has changed and the character is slightly off. Let me show you quickly. Let me try stretching the neck as an example. If you forcibly change a joint while skinned, you can see the mesh stretched like this. Don't worry, I'll put it back. So after skinning, pressing reset returns it to its original state based on the changed bone. The weights may look a bit strange, but you can see the weights are properly set like this. You can see it's in this state. Think of reset as a function that changes the starting reference point, the original mesh for the skinning. And to use the delete function, all meshes have skinning applied, right? So pressing delete all skin removes all skinning data from everything, as you can see. I need to test save again, so let me restore the file. And now that skinning is applied to everything. It's time to save. Press all skin, then add, and specify a folder here. Let me create a temporary one. I'll save here. After pressing save, you can see the skin data being saved continuously. This function also handles the case where, when loading skin data, some of the saved bones may no longer exist. So it saves all bone data unconditionally, and when loading, if any bones are missing, it automatically creates them. You can see the saved folder like this. All the bone data is also saved here. Saved successfully. Now to load, press this button, and I'll load the skin data from today's reference folder. You can see it's loaded right away. Using force load here will delete any existing skin and reload fresh. To test this thoroughly, I'll delete everything and reload. And you can see it keeps loading. Meshes that loaded successfully appear in green, as you can see. Let me try moving. Everything loaded like this. That concludes the explanation of the skin tab features. Next, let me explain rigging info. It used to be in the Edit tab, But things changed a bit now, you just click here. Thank you for watching. This was Otaku Solutions.